This looks like a pretty easy lesson, and it certainly is. But it's very important because it underlies some strategy when speaking Thai, some grammar when speaking Thai. We're going to look at the word can, which also means able, like can you do something or are you able to do something? And then we're going to find out, we're going to use that in a sentence and then figure out how to answer both in the affirmative, yes, I can do that, and in the negative, no, I am not able to do that. Okay, so it's going to be quite an interesting and very valuable lesson for you. Die, and it's a falling tone, as I believe you can see. Die, that means can, it also means able. So let's use this in a sentence. Tom die my cup. And if you're a woman, of course, you're saying Tom die my ka. Or if you're a woman, you have the option of saying ka, falling tone, or ka, high tone. That's an exception that ladies have. Whenever they're asking a question, they can either throw the falling tone ka, or they can throw the high tone ka on it, because it seems like it might be easier to say Tom die my ka instead of Tom die my ka. I'm sure it's situational. Anyway, so Tom die my ka means can you or are you able to do that? That's the question. Let's break this down. Tom, flat tone. Tom means to do. And then, as we said just a second ago, die, falling, means can or able. So Tom die means can do, or yeah, I'm able, right? As you probably remember, when you put a my, rising tone, on any statement, the statement becomes a question. So if my statement is I can do, or can do, Tom die, or Tom do can, right? So with the question, with the my, it makes it a question. So Tom die, meaning I can do it, or it can be done, Tom die, becomes can it be done, Tom die, question mark, because my operates as a question word. It kind of takes place the question mark there. And then, of course, at the end, because you're a farang and I'm a farang, most likely, meaning foreigner, we want to be polite in Thailand. And so we're going to say krap at the end of every sentence if we're a man, or ka if we're a female. So I'm going to say tam da mai krap, and the lady's going to say tam da mai ka, or ka. And there they are, the polite particles. Krap for men and ka for women roughly translates into sir, ma'am. It's a word that just makes the sentence polite. So what we have here is, can you or are you able? That's this question. Tam da mai krap. Can you do that? Are you able? Well, how would you answer yes to that? You could say chai. C-H-A-A-I, chai, falling tone, is yes in Thai. Or you can answer die. I can do. So if somebody says Tamได้ไหม, you can say die.
ได้ครับได้ครับได้ครับ
ได้ค่ะได้ค่ะได้ค่ะ
ได้ครับได้ครับได้ครับ
Okay, thank you guys. So all three of our instructors there answered, I can do that. I said, can you do it? Are you able? And they said, yes, I'm able. And I'm sure that you noticed that Daisy used a different polite particle than the two men. Okay, so now if we're going to say, no, I can't, you would say my. Remember, my falling tone, it means no. My rising tone is a question word, but my falling means no, or can't. So if somebody asked you the question, can you do it? Tom down my cup, and you can't, you'd say, might I? No, I can't. Might I? You could also say, my chai, but might I would be more accurate in this situation because you're saying, no, I can't, or no, I'm not able. My die, both of those falling tones.
ไม่ได้ครับไม่ได้ครับไม่ได้ครับ
ไม่ได้ค่ะไม่ได้ค่ะไม่ได้ค่ะ
ไม่ได้ครับไม่ได้ครับไม่ได้ครับ
I expect that you're speaking out loud as you're watching these videos. repeating after me, repeating after the Thai instructors, without me prompting you, right? Because you're sincere about learning, and this is the way that you do it, is you repeat out loud, because just hearing it inside of your head means you're just thinking about Thai. Getting it in your eyeballs, in your ears, and out your mouth means you're actually speaking and you're starting to think in Thai. The lesson you just learned is one small part of a complete lesson, and you can get a lot of free freebies at my site, thetailanguage.com. thetailanguage.com.